The speed of the current of a creek is 5 miles per hour. If a boat travels 6 miles upstream in the same amount of time it takes to travel 10 miles downstream, what is the speed of the boat in still water? For this equation, or for this problem, we're going to use D equals R times T. Now, we do know that they traveled in the same amount of time, and we do have upstream and downstream. So let's go ahead and set this up. Since T is the same in both, we're going to divide both sides by R. So T is going to be the distance divided by the rate. The upstream speed is going to be slower because that's going against the current. So upstream is going to be the rate minus 5. Similarly, downstream is going to be faster because it's going with the current. So that's going to be R plus 5. It's going to go much faster there. Okay, so now that we have that, we know that the boat is traveling 6 miles upstream. So we're going to have the distance as 6, and the rate is going to be R minus 5. And since the time is the same, we can go ahead and set that equal to 10 miles downstream over R plus 5. The way to solve this is to cross multiply. So we are going to end up with 6 times R plus 5, and that comes from this way here. Then we're going to have equals the multiplication of these two, which is going to be 10 times R minus 5. Now we are going to distribute both terms, and we're going to have 6R plus 30 equals 10R minus 50. We're going to combine like terms here, and at the same time we can go ahead and add 50 over. Then we can have 80 equals 4R, which means that R is equal to 20. So for the interpretation, R up here is the speed in still water, and we just found out that R is 20. So the rate of the speed of the boat in still water is 20 miles per hour.